Hello, hello, and here are our directions for Castle in the Attic, Chapter 3. Today, we're going to start, you are going to read Chapter 3 of The Castle in the Attic. So you can follow along as I read aloud, or you can hear the text right here for you to read along if you'd prefer to do it on your own, independently. You can do that. Okay, so you're going to read. So the first thing, what's step one? We're going to read. Exactly. Okay, read the chapter. Then you're going to read this. The second thing you're going to do is read this informational text. It's called The Legend of King Arthur. We've kind of addressed it talks about King Arthur in the story. It briefly mentions him. But we want to learn a little more about this legend of King Arthur. So you're going to read this informational text right here, this article, and it's going to give you some background on King Arthur himself. And what I want you thinking while you're reading this article is, how is Sir Simon and King Arthur, or let's say how are King Simon and King Arthur, how are they different and how are they alike? So what are some similarities they have and what are some differences they have? Okay. So again, first you'll read chapter 3 of The Castle in the Attic. Then you're going to read this article of The Legend of King Arthur. Now, your assignment part, your activity that you're going to do today is listed here at the bottom. It says The Castle in the Attic, Chapter 3 assignment. So again, I have the directions right here. So let me click and open this. And we say, thank you, Schoology. Okay, read Chapter 3 of The Castle in the Attic, like I told you to do. Read The Legend of King Arthur, informational article, just like I told you to do. And then after reading both, what I'm going to have you do is fill out this Venn diagram. And after reading both, you are going to complete the Venn diagram where you'll compare and contrast Sir Simon and King Arthur. So you should have 3 ways in which Sir Simon was different from King Arthur, 3 ways in which King Arthur was different than Sir Simon, and 3 things that are the same for each, or 3 things they have in common. And you're going to submit this when you're complete. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, because you might have dealt with a Venn diagram before. You might not have. So let's take a look. So you would click right there, or actually for you would click edit, and you would edit yours. And it's going to pull up this right here, Castle in the Attic, Chapter 3, Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. It's made up of 2 circles. And what do we notice about the circles? We notice that, well, we have a circle here, and we have a circle here, and there's a portion where they intersect and they cross, and they have this space in common. Okay? So your job then is to, in this outside circle, I have Sir Simon. You're going to tell me 3 different ways that Sir Simon is different than King Arthur. So 3 things that are different, that are unique to just Sir Simon. Then you're going to do the same thing with King Arthur. You're going to tell me 3 things that are different about King Arthur than Sir Simon. So what was a way that King Arthur is different than Sir Simon? And that you'll put your 3 here. A reminder, over here you write the 3 ways that Sir Simon's different than King Arthur. Now, when they intersect, that's where you're going to tell me about 3 things they have the same, or 3 things that they have in common. Okay? So, for instance, you could say, well, they were both knights. Hey, I'm giving you, if you're reading the direction or listen to the directions here, I'm giving you one. You could say they are both knights, or they were both knights. Right? That's the same. Okay? Well, what's the different for Sir Simon? Well, Sir Simon, I could say, was a miniature little toy. Sir Simon got cursed into a miniature little toy. That is not something that King Arthur ever had to deal with, right? King Arthur, we know, had Merlin. It says in the article, he talks about Merlin, the wizard. Kind of helped him. So you could put that, because Sir Simon did not have Merlin, the wizard, helping him. So you're going to fill this out. So you'll end up with 9 pieces of information total. Again, 3 things that make Sir Simon different from King Arthur, 3 things that make King Arthur different than Sir Simon, and 3 things that they have the same. And you'll fill that out. So, and you just double click in the box, you double click in it, and you can start typing. Right? So have those all filled out, and you'll submit when you are done. And those are your directions for this activity. Good luck.